Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So the short-term Solana view here, it hasn't actually changed. Yeah, everything's going at the moment in line with expectations. So no change here. I had to change the very short-term wave count for Cardano today after it already invalidated here the previous swing high. So basically with this swing high that you can see here on the Solana chart, which is currently at $53, that went a little bit above the swing high here, which I currently still have labeled as a wave 2 on the Solana chart. So basically the Cardano price moved above the beginning of that wave, yeah, and invalidated it. So all I had to do was to move the wave 2 here. It basically became a little bit of an extended wave 2. Same situation here on the Solana chart. The wave 2 could be finished here. We can count this as a 3-wave move up, an A, B, C at the moment. Therefore, I have it labeled like that. A, B, C, absolutely. After we completed the wave 4, that is currently my view, here in some kind of a triangle pattern, an extended corrective move and a triangle. And then we are moving down now. That is my current assumption in a wave 5. In this wave 5, we've probably already completed the wave 1, probably already the wave 2, and we might now be in the wave 3. In this wave 3, we might be in a wave 1, 2, and the next leg down would be the wave 3, and 4 and 5 to complete this wave 3 here in white. So I move everything just over a little bit here because the price is moving on, yeah, just to indicate. And the thing is, it could very well be that we have we will have the same situation here like I have on the Cardano chart, where the Solana price will move up a little bit higher. And if it moves above $54, then I would probably also have to just move the wave 2 here. That would not be a problem at all. I mean, even if we look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, I mean, it did give you the target area here for that wave 2 back then, which was reached perfectly actually. This is located between the 50% fib level, yeah, and the 61.8. Now we haven't even we haven't quite reached the 61.8 fib level. This is actually something that the price could still do just above $54, yeah. So there is no guarantee that the wave 2 is over yet. As I said before, as long as we don't really have a breakout to the downside here below $47.80, yeah, this swing low, until then, it's not really confirmed that the wave 2 is over. So what could very well happen is that all of this, very similar to the Cardano chart, I just want to make you aware before it happens, that all of this, very similar to the Cardano chart, could become a WXY pattern, where the wave Y will then be somewhere up here, just above $54, and this would then become the wave 2, and then we would move down from there. So this would not be a problem. It wouldn't change anything. It would just mean that, again, this correction takes a little bit longer than it seemed at first, but that's fine. This is something we always need to prepare for. And so far, and I think this is also quite similar to the Cardano chart, the price is struggling here to make higher highs. Now what is different to the Cardano chart? We saw a bearish divergence here on the Cardano chart. Now Solana hasn't done that yet, and maybe Solana hasn't done that yet because it will go up to that $54 level. So that's what I'm looking for. $54 would invalidate that current wave count, and would just mean I have to move the wave 2 over here. It wouldn't change anything in this medium term wave count. We can currently see that the price is coming back to that 50% fib level, and already saw strong reactions to it. Because it saw strong reactions to it 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, yeah, you know, it could already go down here, of course, but would, for confirmation for that, need to break below the previous swing low at $51. So yeah, there's we're just sort of still in sort of sideways movement, you could say. But if this wave count is correct, and even the alternative would be correct, then we would expect in the next move the price to move down lower. Yeah, you can still see that the RSI is still very low, so there is really limited upside potential. Yes, we've got a bullish crossover on the MACD, but that is really the only indicator that is currently really looking bullish in any way, I would say. This can of course translate over to the price, and if it leads to an extended move up, then, you know, that's it. But it would need to move way above the invalidation point of the wave 4 that we talked about. Overall, everything else still way too early, and I still remain of my view that the low here for Solana as well is not yet in, and that we're going to see one more move down to complete here the overall correction on the Solana chart. Not only for Solana, but that is what I expect for pretty much all cryptocurrencies, that the low is not yet in. Yeah. Target here for the overall low would be below $35, because the wave 5 here needs to get below the wave 3, so below $35, and I think it could get down as low as $20. That is here those previous support levels from May, June, I think July 21, also here April 21, where we had pretty much the same support 4 times. Yeah, you can see that here. This would be a very important support level around $20. Yeah, so this would be in case we drop below that overall target area here, below the $30 level, below the 88.7% FIB level. Okay, that is my view here about Solana at the moment. I think we just need a bit more patience to see how the market is reacting here and when the market is turning around to the downside. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.